Welcome to Kiddo English Hub Educational Channel.
Present BS past.
I play in the park. I play in the park.
I played in the park. I played in the park.
He eats an apple. He eats an apple.
He ate an apple. He ate an apple.
He runs fast. He runs fast.
He ran fast. He ran fast.
They go to school. They go to school.
They went to school. They went to school.
We sing a song. We sing a song.
We sang a song. We sang a song.
She reads a book. She reads a book.
She read a book. She read a book.
He writes a letter. He writes a letter.
He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter.
I drink water. I drink water.
I drank water. I drank water.
We have a picnic. We have a picnic.
We had a picnic. We had a picnic.
They jump on the trampoline. They jump on the trampoline.
They jumped on the trampoline. They jumped on the trampoline.
The dog barks at stranger. The dog barks at stranger.
The dog barked at stranger. The dog barked at stranger.
She swims in the pool. She swims in the pool.
She swam in the pool. She swam in the pool.
He drinks milk. He drinks milk.
He drank milk. He drank milk.
The cat sleeps on the bed. The cat sleeps on the bed.
The cat slept on the bed. The cat slept on the bed.
He buys a toy. He buys a toy.
He bought a toy. He bought a toy.
We make a cake. We make a cake.
We made a cake. We made a cake.
She dances at the party. She dances at the party.
She danced at the party. She danced at the party.
The baby cries. The baby cries.
The baby cried. The baby cried.
She draws a picture. She draws a picture.
She drew a picture. She drew a picture.
I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair.
I sat on the chair. I sat on the chair.
They talk to the teacher. They talk to the teacher.
They talked to the teacher. They talked to the teacher.
She runs in the race. She runs in the race.
She ran in the race. She ran in the race.
We fly a kite. We fly a kite.
We flew a kite. We flew a kite.
They builds a sand castle. They builds a sand castle.
They built sandcastle.
I catch a ball. I catch a ball.
I caught a ball. I caught a ball.
He rides a bicycle. He rides a bicycle.
He rode a bicycle. He rode a bicycle.
She opens the door. She opens the door.
She opened the door. She opened the door.
He listens to music. He listens to music.
He listened to music. He listened to music.
The kids clap their hands. The kids clap their hands.
The kids clapped their hands. The kids clapped their hands.
He washes his hands. He washes his hands.
He washed his hands. He washed his hands.
He watches TV. He watches TV.
He watched TV. He watched TV.
He climbs a tree. He climbs a tree.
He climbed a tree. He climbed a tree.
She cuts the paper. She cuts the paper.
She cut the paper. She cut the paper.
She feeds the dog. She feeds the dog.
She fed the dog. She fed the dog.
The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly.
The sun shone brightly. The sun shone brightly.
I choose a book. I choose a book.
I chose a book. I chose a book.
She wakes up early. She wakes up early.
She woke up early. She woke up early.
The baby sleeps. The baby sleeps.
The baby slept. The baby slept.
They share their toys. They share their toys.
They shared their toys. They shared their toys.
She throws the ball. She throws the ball.
She threw the ball. She threw the ball.
Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, check out the link in the description box and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.